Is the offside decision any argument there for this goal?
No, I think it's a tight one. Because we've all done it. We've all played Big Ten and against 11 and vice versa. It's not as easy as you think.
Slowly. Oh, boy.
I've got some good tunes for you, Lee.